Well, hi everyone, and welcome back to Tyrell Models. Today I want to talk to you about a replacement to an existing tool which has been on the store for some time. I'm talking about the Precision Tweezer, which I've had available for probably a couple of years, I think, or thereabouts. Many of you have signed up to be notified when that comes back into stock, but unfortunately I can't source that exact tweezer any longer. I can't find any stock of that one. So what I've done is I've gone away and looked for a replacement. And the replacement is what I want to talk to you about today. So I'll tilt the camera to my bench and we'll have a look at this new Precision Tweezer. See you in a minute. Okay, everyone, here we are at the bench. Now, these tweezers, which I mentioned in the introduction, it's these guys. Now, many of you have got a pair of these. Let me just get them out of the box because they are superb for picking up very, very small parts because of the tip on these. I think it's 0.1 or something like that. You can these things go down to. Very, very useful for precise work. I use these all the time for for detailing models, particularly the 124 scale engines, which I tend to super detail. So these are very, very useful indeed. The issue is I ran out of stock some time ago. And I've been trying to find a replacement for this guy for some time. It looks like the actual manufacturer has discontinued this particular type of tweezer, which is unfortunate because they are absolutely perfect. But I've looked around and I can't get any more of these in any shape or form, and I'll spend some time looking for those. So what I want to show you today is the replacement for these guys. The ones I've sourced are these guys. Let me just show you the packaging. What they are actually, they come out of mobile phone repair tools. I think, as many of you know, if you've seen any of my videos across YouTube, I spend a lot of time paying attention to allied fields and phone repairs, pharmaceuticals, beauty sector. Often have tools which I can appropriate for model making, or they clearly have an application for us. And I've been looking at a lot of the tools actually for mobile phone repairs for a while. They do some interesting stuff for repairing screens, for instance, jigs, that kind of thing. So I've been looking at those. But I wanted to get a pair of tweezers to replace the ones that I can't source. These guys really do fit the bill. So they call them a 3D tweezer for precise phone repair, but for us it's very, very useful for us model makers. So let's get this guy out of the box and let's have a look at it. So it comes in a very, very simple packaging. Yep. But obviously we're interested in the business end. Now let me bring those close to the camera as I dare. And that's the actual action on these. And as I said, they are a very, very good replacement for the existing ones on the store. If you're looking for a precise pair of tweezers, these guys are absolutely superb. For instance, if I go and try and pick up say something very small off my bench and show you that, so you can actually see it. Let me go by my arm. Let's see if you can see that. So it's very, very precise control over these tweezers. Even smaller. If I go down to something sort of tubular, picks up that very, very nicely indeed. It's really when you're looking for something ultra precise. Yeah, when your standard tweezers aren't literally I'm going to cut it because the actual tip on maybe a standard pair is. It's just overkill, it's too wide, etc., or you need to reach into something. That's really where these came from. I think I was trying to do an engine detail and couldn't get a standard pair of tweezers to I think attach a spark plug or something, which was something like 0.3 of a millimeter or 0.2 of a millimeter, that kind of thing. Whereas these, because they're quite long, were absolutely perfect. I thought, well, that's my application, but clearly there'll be an application for you guys for your model making. But say, unfortunately, these guys are not available anymore. But they are literally almost an identical pair. They perform exactly the same. Let me just show you those sort of side by side. The tips are slightly different the way they've designed these, but side by side they are pretty much identical. as I said, what I went with was something that had the same specification. So it goes down to, I think it's something like 0.1 of a millimeter or something like that. That's the actual surface area on the tip here. If you need that level of precision, these guys will absolutely do it for you. As I say, larger parts, they pick these up obviously as well without any problems at all. But really, it's having the control. That's really what I was after for that engine I was detailing when I was looking for a pair like this, because standard tweezers didn't really work for me. I was looking for something that was more precise. And as you know, across all of these videos, I'm always big on precision and detail. What does that actually look like for us model makers? So that's the new set of tweezers. If you're looking for something very, very, very precise, that's and also maybe a longer tweezer to reach into maybe a cockpit, or as I say, I do a lot of car engines. That kind of application. These new replacement tweezers for the old set might be just right for your application. As I say, they come out of the mobile phone repair sector, but I've had a look at a lot of these over time, and this pair are absolutely fine for us model makers. They really do allow you to get hold of very, very small parts if you need to for detailing, or if you're a scratch builder. The list goes on. But if you're looking for a pair of precision tweezers, these guys might be for you. As I said, I'll update the website with this new set. So anybody that's left their details waiting for this guy to come into stock, you'll get an email, and you'll see that these guys are the replacement. So as always, if you have any questions or any queries, do come back to me, and of course, keep on modeling.